when it comes to the crash. When you look at inflation and the low inventory of real estate in most markets, it's likely that real estate prices won't crash like 2008. When you think about the added layer of 2 years of a mortgage forbearance period, right? And the banks and the homeowners haven't even sorted through all of that. Whether, the homeowners are going to reinstate their loans through some sort of agreement, or whether the homeowners are going to do a modification, a loan modification. A lot of that hasn't even begun to be sorted out. Also, there's a $10 billion fund that the government has issued to help homeowners. That hasn't been put into effect. So there's a lot of, I would say, red tape that has to be worked through when it comes to existing homeowners and whether they're going to decide to keep their homes, sell their homes. So I don't see necessarily home prices going down this year, especially when you couple it with inflation, which means everything is going to cost more according to dollar value because the dollar value is going down. I don't think there'll be enough housing supply really to see houses going down. So that's just something to think about if you're looking to buy a house in 2022. It's best, if you're going to buy, that you think about the long-term game. You have to prepare yourself for if the prices continue to rise or if they go down, right? If you're ready to buy, you should definitely pursue it. If you can find what you're looking for, buying a house that can be an inflation hedge for you, because buying with a fixed rate mortgage, your payments will stay constant. Of course, with the exception of your taxes, you have to prepare for that, but your mortgage payment will stay constant. So that can definitely be an inflation hedge. So just if you're going into the home buying process in 2022 or even beyond, you want to think long term as certain things in the housing market are being worked out. Go to homeloanapprovalguide.com to get a roadmap to stress-free home loan approval if you're in the market to buy.